I'm going to demonstrate the new advanced camera match feature in PC Crash 15.1. So I've got this 3D scene here, a point cloud, and if I load a bitmap, we have some scene evidence. So I want to find where these tire marks and gouges and whatnot were on the road. So I'm going to turn my image semi-transparent here and try to make sure I've got sort of all the features I want to match kind of in frame. Might need to play with the focal length or something, but right now it looks like I've got everything I want to see here, so make that opaque. So I'm going to define some points to do the camera match with, same as I do on the regular camera optimization. Just click a point and find a feature in the camera view there and click through a bunch of points. Ideally, I'd like to get kind of foreground and background if I can. Things in different planes. Maybe a base of a pole here. I'm going to try to get quite a few. See some points are kind of overlapping. Get a bunch of different points. I think I can get this sidewalk area here. Maybe even the base of that far pole. Okay, got a point on this box. I might even be able to get something on this left turn arrow. Okay. So this is exactly the same process as I do for the regular optimization. I'm just going to save this camera, photo 2. And if I go to my background and hit optimize camera, it kind of finds something that's not too bad, pretty close. But the camera optimization doesn't affect the camera roll, and it won't do lens distortion. And that's what their new advanced optimization is for. I'm just going to add a couple points at the tops of these poles, maybe. There we go. Oh, and there's one way over here too. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to go. Now we have a drop box or a drop command on the optimized camera position to get the advanced one, which gets us a whole new window. And here we can specify the lens distortion parameters we want to solve for. And we can assign a margin so that we can, as this pincushion distortion happens, we get a bit of a margin around there. So with this one, there's not a lot of distortion, so I'm just going to say maybe 5%. And if I say optimize, I'm just going to do the first term of the radius distortion and the offsets there, the horizontal and vertical offsets. Okay, so as I do that, you can see how that improves our match quite a bit. There's not a lot of distortion. See, the terms here are quite small. But what I can do is hit apply, and it's going to give it a new name. So it makes a camera with the new distortion corrected image. And it's solved for the roll angle. So here, instead of doing -1 degree, it did 359 degrees. But there you go. So that's solving for lens distortion. And then you can just remap those colors to the scene. And I'll show that in the next video.